Who's that? Who's that? My dad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here, so you can see us. Come here.
1, 2, 3. Hey there. What are you doing? Hi, this is Harry Smale with a UMC, and this is Kevin, my worker and the manager for the Animal Hotel. Here we go. Oh yeah, film me doing this. Oi, oi. Kevin.
Yep.
Film me doing this. Up there. Gents, boys and girls, welcome to the dive bar. I'm Harry Smale, 10 years old now, and I'm doing my highest dive. It's not the highest dive, but it's a low bar, which is this. And now I'm going to show you how to dive. Right. This bit's a bit scary, but I'm going to try and do it. Ready? 1, 2. And that's me.